Looking for a fast and reliable packaging solution for dry products? Introducing the Brick Bag Packaging Machine by Zerva International. This advanced machine is ideal for packing grains, sugar, pasta, and flour. And it produces 3 bag shapes: pillow, gusset, and brick. Available with volumetric or weighing or auger filling systems, with speeds up to 60 packs per minute. Built from 304 stainless steel, CE certified, with a real 2-year warranty. Wherever you are in the world, our team is ready for installation and commissioning. Contact us now to get full specifications and a quotation.